So Heather from marketing is always telling me that I need to be doing more videos. So Heather, this is for you. It's the 27th of July 2026, and I just want to show everybody the new request a quote today button. So if any of you've got projects that you really want to get on with, we'd be delighted to support. So just click on this button. I filled out these really simple questions just so we know who you are and where we're going. Parish of St. Helen. Just put that there. And what I thought was I'd like my office stated. So just go to here and currently the office looks like this. So I'd like to put a wall graphic here and make it look a little bit more funky. So what I've just done is said, right, when is delivery? Probably within the next 14 days. In terms of site visit, yes, mornings are better for me. So please arrange a morning visit. The types of services that we do, and obviously we do a heap of services, but for this example, it's architectural film and I need some creative design done. And in terms of telling me about the project, it's to apply wall graphics to my office. And I've included an image that you just saw there. And how have I heard about Signtech? That's through word of mouth. And all it is, click that button and one of the team will be with you shortly to update you on our progress. So thanks very much for listening, everybody.